Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to apply for a loan using NayaPay. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. Tap on the search bar, type NayaPay, and hit enter. From the results, click on the first link that appears. Once the website opens, select the personal option at the top of the page. Then scroll down until you find the Get the App section. You'll see links to download the app from Google Play or the App Store. Go ahead and install it on your phone. After downloading the app, you'll need to contact their 24/7 customer support and speak directly with a representative. You'll find the contact number listed below, along with a separate number for international users. Simply call the appropriate number and let them know you want to apply for a loan. The support team will guide you step by step and explain the entire process. If you're eligible, approval is usually quick and straightforward. They'll either approve your loan or inform you if you don't qualify. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a loan through NayaPay. Thanks for watching today's video. If this was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our daily uploads.